Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to do the craftspire.com giveaway that I've been talking about in my last three craftspire.com videos where I did an unboxing and 2 demonstrations. This is the little kit right here, so cute and pretty, right? All ready to go. I'm going to pack it up, wrap it in some bubble wrap, and it'll be in an envelope, padded bubble envelope, and it'll be on its way to whoever wins. But what I did was write down everyone's name. And thank you so much to everyone who commented, liked, and subscribed, whatever, entered the contest, whatever you did. Thank you for all that you did. So I went through and just kind of numbered the ones that did all three. You had to comment under all 3 videos in case you didn't see that. That's what I was saying in the videos, and it's also in the rules under the video. But so I got all the names. So they're right here, 15 people. So what I'm going to do is use my little bingo thingy here, and we're going to pick out a number. So if I get a number over 15, I'll leave it out because I won't need it, and then I'll twirl this little bingo game here. So let's just go. This is so fun, and this is going to be a short video. Oh, hold on. I think I did something wrong because 2 came out. Hold on. Let's see now. How do I get them back in there? Okay, I don't use this except for my giveaways. Okay, 1's in there. Okay, I'm going to just twirl it around once, so it's like that. Or is it supposed to be like that? Okay, let's see. I'm going to be more careful. Sorry, guys. I just thought this would be more fun then. Okay, there's 1 in there. Here it is. Let's see what number it is. Let's see. It is 30. Okay, so we don't have a 30. That's the only problem. I mean, I don't think I would take all the numbers out of here. I'd just do it this way. Okay, so let's see. We've got a number. Number 3. Let me show you. That one was 30, just in case, you don't think I'm cheating or anything. There's 30. There's 30. I mean, there's only 15 people, so, and there's 3. So let's see who number 3 is. Number 3 is Julie of Creative Arts Designs. There she is. Here you go, Julie. Julie of Creative Arts Designs. So please contact me. I don't believe I have your address. My email will be below this video. So just contact me with your address, and this little kit will be on its way. And you know how we say always, if the person doesn't contact me within, say, I'll give you a week since it's Christmas and we're busy, even New Year's. You know what? I'll give you till January 3rd or something like that, so you can get through Christmas and New Year's in case you don't have time to look at this video. But anyway, if you do, I'll get it in the mail as soon as I can, also because I'm also doing some, preparing and Christmas celebrations that I've got to go to and things. So, but I usually get everything out. I don't like to it'll be in my brain until I get it out. So, so I usually try to just, get it done. So anyway, thank you. I'm sorry I'm babbling, and I'll see you all in my next video. And I do have an idea for a few more giveaways soon. So just stay tuned. I like to do different things, not the normal giveaways. And so I think it's kind of fun to just do different things. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much, everybody. And I'll see you later. Happy crafting.